Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Savvylicious Arrangements. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to do these Fruity Pebble chocolate covered strawberries with a touch of glam. Okay, if you would like to see this video, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to jump straight into this video like I normally do with all my other ones. So you're going to need your wax paper, your flexible cutting board, your chocolate, whatever color you decide to use, and your Fruity Pebbles. So I'm just pretty much I'm trying to capture a couple pictures, but I'm showing you that you can use two different types. So you can use the crushed up ones that I've done right here, or you can use the whole Fruity Pebbles. Now with the whole Fruity Pebbles, I pretty much don't like that look. So I pretty much crushed up mine to give it that crunch look. So I'm just going to be placing my chocolate into a glass cup, and I'm going to place that into the microwave for 30 seconds intervals at a time. I'm gonna move my strawberries over, and I'm going to start dipping my strawberries. So pretty much you know the basic routine. You dip, you take off the excess chocolate, and you apply whatever decorations you would like to add to your strawberries. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to be sprinkling on the Fruity Pebbles, and I'm going to do this while it's wet, so that way it's easier to dry instead of doing it while it's dry and then applying the cereal, if that makes sense. So pretty much I'm just going to continue to do the dip processing, and I'm going to just take I can't get my words right today, and I'm just going to take the cereal and I'm just going to apply that to the strawberry. It's really self-explanatory, but if you want a more in detailed video, but if you want more information, I can definitely leave it in the comment section below. So here I am just showing you a different way, or easier way, however you prefer. You can just take your dipped chocolate, strawberry, and you can just pretty much place it into the bowl or cup or whatever that you have, and you can also cover your strawberry that way. Whichever way you prefer. Rather if you like to sprinkle it, or rather if you like to dip it, or rather if you even like to take the cereal out the bowl and sprinkle it onto your strawberry by hand. It's all whatever your preference is. And there you have it, your chocolate covered Fruity Pebbles touch of glam, chocolate covered strawberries. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. I am super, super, super excited for the news that I would love to tell you guys shortly. But please comment, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video.